Hi everybody, Jackhammer here, and welcome back to Hammermania 31 Night 2. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Patty Carnasco. And her opponent, she is the reigning and defending JWE Women's European Champion from Paris, France, Carmelita Fox. Not to you, anyway. That belt hanging above the ring. And here we go. Carmelita picks Patty Carnasco up and drops her down. Patty Carnasco, springboard moonsault, DDT connects to Carmelita. Carmelita now. Neckbreaker! Patty Carnasco just delivered a neckbreaker to Carmelita. Oh no. The People's Elbow connects. Carmelita's down. Knee to the face. Patty Carnasco's in control here. Oh, shot to the back of the head. Carmelita now going outside the ring. And Patty Carnasco had the ladder. Oh, right into the barricade goes Patty Carnasco. Carmelita's having her way with it out there now. Carmelita now picks up the tape, picks up the ladder, puts it in the ring, slides in the ring. Oh, clothesline by Carmelita. Carmelita now puts Patty Carnasco in some strange submission hold. Oh, Carmelita's up now. Patty Carnasco throws Carmelita over the top. Carmelita's down. Patty Carnasco's climbing up. Patty Carnasco now, one rung, two rungs. Just two rungs. Patty Carnasco's up. Electric teardrop. Down goes Patty Carnasco. Now Carmelita picks her up. Throws her over the top rope. Oh, headshot goes. Down goes Patty Carnasco. She's coming back in the ring now. Carmelita picks her up. Drags her over to the ropes. Oh, elbow to the face. Springboard moonsault DDT on the ladder. Carmelita's back on her feet now. Patty Carnasco puts the ladder into the corner. Uh-oh, what's Carmelita doing here? She's looking underneath the ring for something. She's got the big ladder. Sets it up. Patty Carnasco now still climbing out. She's on top of the ladder. Patty Carnasco now. Three rungs. Carmelita's on top of the ladder now. Punching Patty Carnasco right in the face. Down she goes. Carmelita now. Two rungs away. Is she gonna retain here? No. Patty Carnasco power bombs Carmelita down. She picks her up. Oh, Carmelita blocked it. Snap suplex. Down goes Patty Carnasco. Float over DDT. Down goes Patty Carnasco. Carmelita going top rope now. Uh-oh, what's she doing here? Moonsault. Connects to Patty Carnasco. Patty Carnasco's down and he gets up. Carmelita has the ladder set up. She's climbing it. She's on top now. Patty Carnasco stopping Carmelita here. But it might be too late. And it is. Here's your winner. And still the JWE Women's European Champion, Carmelita Fox. I'll be back.